stick your hand like that. Not all the way out, just like that. Relax your fingers. Put your thumb into this one. You got it? Okay. Hold it in place while I put the screws in, okay? Can you do that for me? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Good.
It's heavy.
No, you're doing good. You're doing good. Because it's kind of in. I just need to get these screws in. Come on.
Why? I can see
Right
it.
here. Do you see me? Here?
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, let me fix that.
And soon you have to try to get me like kid gloves that can fit me.
Yeah. Alright, you can let go.
But nothing happens.
Yeah, it's on there. Aw, man.
What? I want to let go.
Okay, you can let go. Oh, my arthritis is kicking in really bad right now. Oh. Because hitting it with a hammer, I can get it to go up and down, but I need it to go in and up, like straight. Somehow. Alright, I'm gonna cut this off. I want to see what's under it. Whew, that's ugly. Everybody's wondering what the inside of this door hinge looks like. There it is. Another shot of this. Oh, come on! It broke off inside there. Okay, so I'm done for the day. My hands hurt too much to keep going with this, but here's where I'm at. I didn't fit it in all the way. If I can adjust these get these screws loose and make the adjustment and move it up just a bit, I think, and in. So I need to move it this way and up. And I think we'll be good because the gap is pretty sufficient, I think. I'm happy with how the cab is. It's more the door that's the problem. So I think I'm good to, I feel like I'm good to go with the floor, and I'm not going to need to adjust where the cab is sitting. I think it's the door that's the problem. And it's kind of a little roadblock for me. But the good news is the other side door fits in just fine. No problems. All right. This thing's kicking my butt. Oh, bingo. There we go. You just want to go for a ride, huh? You love rides. Oh, good boy. What a good boy. What a good boy. Hey. Who is it? Go get her. Look who's home from school.
Tumbleweed Garage.